Hello everyone, John Hustleton, General Manager of Shults Ford here in Wexford, bringing you today's Tuesday tip of the week. It's a very exciting Tuesday because as of 8 o'clock last night, the all-new Bronco became available for reservation and order. They have a couple models available. The first one is the Bronco Sport, which we'll see in our showrooms by the end of the calendar year. The next is the 2-door and 4-door, which is available for reservation and delivery spring 2021. All you have to do is go into any internet browser, type in shultsford.com, which is your home for all new and pre-owned vehicles. On the homepage, you'll see Bronco Built Wild, Reserve Now. Just click the Reserve Now button. That takes you into Ford's reservation system with 3 easy steps. The first step is select your Bronco, choose a dealership, and put down your refundable $100 deposit. Step 2, beginning late 2020, your order will be placed. We will reach out to you, verify the pricing and configuration of the Bronco. Once you've verified all your information and pricing from us, your order will be confirmed. And then step 3 is begin mid-2021, first shipments will arrive. There are a couple different models available, both in 2-door and 4-door. As you see, you have the base model. You can toggle between 2-door and 4-door to see the style of the car. You have the Big Bend, which is for mainstream off-roading. You have the Black Diamond, which is for adventure off-roading. The Outer Banks for off-roading in style. The Badlands for extreme off-roading. And the Wild Track for high-speed off-roading. And then, of course, the first edition, which reservations are already filled up for the first edition. Once you choose which one you'd like to order, my favorite being the Outer Banks, you click Review and Reserve. Make sure you choose the dealership you'd like your new Bronco to be delivered to. You have your choice between Shults Ford in Wexford, Shults Ford in Harmarville, and our all-new Shults Ford in South Hills. You can see the pictures of what it looks like with the doors off, the doors on, the roof off, the roof on, with plenty other information about the Bronco as far as colors, equipment, and what makes each edition so special. Once you've chose the edition that's right for you, click Reserve Now. It takes you into your Ford account. If you already have a Ford vehicle or Lincoln vehicle, you'll be very familiar with a Ford account. That's where you can pay your bill, where you collect Ford Pass rewards at. You can use the exact same log information to place your order. If you do not have a Ford account, just click Create Account, and it takes you right into your information where you verify it. It takes the $100 deposit, and then you've locked your place in line for the all-new Bronco. Make sure you go to shultsford.com or follow us on social media to see all Bronco information, videos. If you have not seen a reveal video for last night, I recommend going to our YouTube channel. It's Shults Ford to watch all the exciting new vehicles that Ford has available. Thank you so much for joining us. This has been your Tuesday tip of the week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us, call us, or stop in and walk you through the process. Again, this is John Hustleton from Shults Ford in Wexford. We'll see you soon.